I don't want to read the news anymore, so let's learn about what is inside a smart contract. Like regular contracts, smart contracts are designed to enforce terms of an agreement, whether it be an exchange of crypto, tokenized rights, proof of identity, or practically anything else. Smart contracts will automatically execute when predefined conditions are met. The operation of a smart contract can be briefly described with three main terms. Interconnectivity. This means each smart contract usually has a restricted set of functions. Several smart contracts can be set up to connect with one another and can form a more complex arrangements known as decentralized applications, dApps. Number two, objects. These are signatories that interact with smart contract and its subjects, which are modified by the smart contract based on predefined or newly submitted terms. The third one is environment. Smart contracts are dependent on underlying cryptographic environment. This ensures that they can operate securely and that the data they act on is immutable and generally transparent. For most blockchains, the code underlying the smart contracts is immutable. Several blockchains also support updatable contracts, however.